Hey, I'm Lyd. Charles and I are working on converting a 1983 International Bluebird school bus into what's going to be our future home. We have 2 cats, Piper and Finn. We upload every Monday. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, let us know what you think in the comments, and welcome to our lives.
Is this actually a 5/8 school? Don't need ultra drink any longer. Thank you for your service. So again, this is not my recommendation. It is, however, how I intend to avoid a hernia. It'd be really great if you'd stop fighting me.
Toasty. Just go.
Theoretically, that should be. You know, after we did this, I had dreams about it, and I was like, we're done. We're done with this. We don't have to worry about doing this again, doing this anymore. But no, of course there's more vinyl. There's always more vinyl. Yeah, one piece. New holes to drill.
Is that your new smoking chair?
Turn. I'm very happy to be sitting into the inside or on this outside of the bus. Choco. Doggo. Oh, hello. Oh, hello. Yes. Yes. Toolbox from Grandpa. Kind of the first opening. Oh boy. steel reference sheet. It's a reference sheet for steel. Some sandpaper, which I will be using to restore. It's a little funky. Yeah, that could be elsewhere. Memo calendar for 1960. The original instruction book for it. Back tools. Part list. So it's a tool ordering book, and I wonder if the numbers still match. I wonder when that's from. 1958, Mac Tools parts book. One piece of sandpaper that's not too nasty. Ratchets that have seen some better days. Whoa. A ROPS calculator? ROPS calculator and shortcutted arithmetic. Time and labor saving tables. Copyright 1912. So this is over 100-year-old cheat sheet for all kinds of different math. There's land measurements, how to figure the size of a barrel or a cask based on how big it is, mechanics, log tables, figuring out screws. Wow. Well, that's definitely a cool little thing. Let's see what that is. Never even heard of something. Got a bunch of unused time books that I'm sure Grandpa had from Griffin or Champ. The Stewart Sand and Material Company. Alright, so that's all. That's stuff. It's a cylinder reference table for cylinder you would need to order for a particular thing. It gives you your part number. Little pull-out table. Huh. Facts of life on air and hydraulic devices. 1957. Well, that's pretty cool. I mean, air and hydraulics don't really change that much, so I'll use that for the air brakes. Give myself a one-on-one. Some more ratchets in decidedly better shape. Nice long ratchets. Got a bunch of extenders. Look like they could probably get cleaned up. A wrench that is probably beyond its time. Whole thing for every gasket that you could possibly need in the universe. Huh. Composition book, maybe? Bank vault machining numbers. Apparently something Grandpa was working on in 1970. Keys. Wonder if one of those is that key. That would be cool. Something. It's a long gone paper. Pipe cutting wheel replacements. Looks like some sharpening stones of some kind. The cutter that the replacements go to. So there's 3 Craftsman screws. Apparently Grandpa was a fan of Craftsman.
First try.
Well, maybe. No.
No.
Negative. So I hope one of these is the right screw then. Wouldn't that be a bone? Okay, there we go. Alright. So we have keys and everything else.
This one's a crazy idea.
Alright.
But let's follow through. It's gonna get rough, but there's little we can do. There's a lot of work to be done, but it's easier with two